If anyone want to work in telehealth industry, he has to enthusiastic and patience in the same time. Hello everyone, this is Ryan and I'm a cold caller and appointment setter based on Bangladesh. However, I have a previous experience working in Victoria, working with solar expert and working with residential homeowner. And based on my experience, I'm confident that I can help you for this job. And here is how. Number one, I always focus on persuasive sales technique. And this start with relate with the customer. Try to understand their situation and identify the pain point what they are facing right now. And then share a similar situation where we have helped previous customer. And in this way, we can provide a tailored solution for each different types of customer. I use lead nurturing technique. So if I work with your team in Facebook and within your Excel sheet, obviously I have to maintain a sheet or I have to maintain a CRM to do scheduling, confirm the address, and do follow up. And I'm pretty much confident with lead nurturing. And if you want to learn more about want to learn about my lead nurturing experience, just download some of the attachment which I have attached on the job post. Okay, so the next one is proven experiences Victoria. I've worked with Victorian people, so I know what is the best time to reach out to them. I know what is the best way to greet them and save a lot of your time. I always follow reporting and feedback technique, and this is, I believe, this is the best way to grow. So if you have 5 to 10 minutes of your time each week to supervise me, probably I'm the best person who can help you for this job and book more appointment for your business. Okay, so the next way is I have a proper call center setup. I have USB headset, I have noise cancelling software and quiet place, which is very much relevant for this type of role. Okay, yes, I always focus on campaign. I try to understand the value point of campaign and use scarcity to book more appointment. So if you are handling multiple campaign, I can easily adapt with multiple campaign. And however, I need a little bit of time to learn more the processes, and in eventually in the future we probably together we can provide a quick solution for the campaign. Okay, so this was all about it. If you have any type of question or you want to discuss more about your role and the value point you are providing for your patients with therapy, please just send a DM. I would love to discuss with you about more on this. Just share a Zoom link, just share a book a calendar in b2bcleaner.com. You would like then I would meet you, I would talk to you and learn more about your team and the procedure. And definitely I can assure you that definitely together we can book more appointment for your businesses and grow together. Yeah, thanks for your time and have a good day. Thank you so much for your time and patience.